Hey, how you doing? You got to pardon the mess. I've been out for surgery, so I haven't done this video like I wanted to. I wanted to do about a month ago. But anyway, if you remember a little while ago, I did the Audew jump starter, right? Battery charger. I wanted to do this video with that device, but my wife took it because the battery charger that I bought her for her phone, one charge and then she has to recharge it. That Audew device, it charges her phone 6 times, and so she stole it. She keeps it and then she gives it to me at the end of the week to charge up. But anyway, this is an Audew Air Compressor, and it's double acting, meaning that as the air pump moves back and forth, it's going to pump air out. As the cylinder moves this way, it's going to push it out, and as it moves this way, it's going to push it out. And what that means is it's going to charge your devices a lot quicker. In their instructions, it says it'll blow up a P195 R15 tire, a car tire, in about 2 minutes. And I've got some dry rotted old trailer tires. I'm sitting on my my sawmill trailer right now. Dry rotted up tires that are dead, right? So they're a little bigger than a car tire, so we'll see. One thing I do like about this one, besides the handle, is it has a little compartment here so it holds to blow up beach balls and air mattresses and all that sort of stuff. So, you know, it has a little carrying case. I keep it in the truck. Put the little needle on there, right? Comes with all the little devices you need to charge all the little air things in your life. So, let's try it out. What we're going to do is I've got a battery. It's not the most charged battery up in the world, but it'll work. We're going to hit on. So I got a whole bunch of tires, but they're all full or they all got holes in them. So I can't really show you this thing working, filling up a tire, but I think you get it. It works pretty good, and it's $57.99, I think, prime shipping. Not a bad little deal. I've seen a lot more expensive air compressors, and I've seen cheaper ones, but the cheaper ones don't seem to be pump as much air. Now, the one thing I will tell you, this looks metal. It ain't. It's plastic, right? It don't really feel all that sturdy. So I will tell you that. I don't want to lie to you. But it pumps air, and I have the feeling that as long as you don't beat it around like I am prone to do with my tools, it will work pretty well for you. I want to use this. I just put a link on my website where a guy built a solar water heater for camping that he pressurizes with an air compressor, and I'm going to use that for that. So pretty cool. $57.99, double acting air pump, works pretty good. Thanks.